welcome to CyberNet Security. Today we'll be showing the step-by-step guide on how you can set up our newly installed Kali Linux. Um, if you are new to Kali Linux, you just install the Kali Linux and you don't know what next to do to set up the Kali Linux for penetration testing. This video will help guide you on the right steps and the first thing to do. So let's get started. First, we have to confirm. Let's confirm if we have network on this VM because I'm currently running on a VM. So Kali Linux is a Debian-based OS built on Linux kernel. So as we can see here, I'm connected. I'm using if you know about the different networking types we have on VirtualBox. You can go back to my previous videos. I did a video that covered about virtual network types in VirtualBox. So in this VM, I'm currently running on a bridge, which simply means this VM is actually getting the IP address from the DHCP server sitting on my physical network. So let's get started. The IP, I have an IP address 192.16800.247/24. So let's check if we have internet access. As you can see here, I have internet access. So these are the first things you need to confirm first. Make sure that you have internet access because the setup that we're going to be doing will be needing an internet access. So the next thing is I want to update. I want to update and update and upgrade. Upgrade. I'm using APT, which is a packet manager in Debian OS. So upgrade. So this is gonna take us a little time. So we pause this video. All right. Yes. So let's. So I'm currently updating and upgrading my VM. So let's pause and continue after the update and upgrade has been completed. Okay, the update and the upgrade has been completed. So we can clear this. Okay, let's go to, like I said earlier, we'll be using Pimp My Kali. We're using Pimp My Kali to upgrade, to set up this newly installed Kali Linux. So let's go to Pimp My Kali. Pimp My Kali. Yeah, let's go by this DeWalt arc. So from here, this is the GitHub page for these two. So as you can see, you can go through this manual page here to see how to install Pimp My Kali. If you already have an existing Pimp My Kali folder, you can remove it first, and then you do git clone and seed into the directory and run the script file. So that's how you do that. You can go through this manual. It will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can run the script. So what we're gonna do is go to here, click down here and copy this link. You can do by copying this link. You can download the zip file. Then downloading the zip file, you will have to unzip it, and yeah, so that's that. So let's go back to our terminal. Go back to the terminal. I've copied the link. This is my terminal. What I'm gonna do here, I'll do sudo git clone. But before that, let me check my directory. So I am inside the Cybernet directory. So let me see possible directories here. So let me go into downloads. Like you see here, I already have Pimp My Kali here. I already downloaded Pimp My Kali. Let's go to CD Pimp My Kali. I have already downloaded that. So before that, what I will do is like we see you saw in the manual, let's remove let's remove this. So I will do that quickly. So the remove rf here, pimp my Kali. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it's asking for password. Let me do first and remove this. So let's check here. I don't have that any longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'll move into the download folder. Downloads folder. Inside the downloads folder. So from here now I will do sudo git clone. Then I'll paste the URL that I downloaded. I copied from the website. Here I'll paste that URL. That's that. So click enter. So it will clone the URL. So I think that is done. So let's see whether we have the directory now. As you can see, we have the directory pimp my Kali. So let's move into the directory pimp my Kali directory, and let's list what we have inside. So here we have pimp my Kali script, we have change logs. But what we are gonna be making use of is this pimp my Kali script. So what we're gonna do, let me clear my terminal. What I'm gonna do is do sudo. Wanna run the scripts as a root privileged. So pimp my Kali shell. So enter. So here now it will give us options. Like I said, I just installed this VM, so I want to set it up. So if you look at these options, you will see where it's asked for new VM setup. Run this option if this is the first time running pimp Kali. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose this option N here. So please press key for menu item selection. So let me click N. Like you see, that's what I choose. So we have to give it some time to download the required packages that we need for our VMs. So we continue as soon as the download has been completed. As you can see here, is downloading every required packet that we need for our VM, our Kali Linux VM. So it's downloading every package that we need to run. So I don't need to start listing down the packages that I need to download. Just running the script will make that faster for me. It already knows applications that I will be needing by default, so it will be installing that for me. Here pimp my Kali has successfully completed installing the required software and tools that I need for my Kali Linux to run. So to check the packages that we are installed by pimp my Kali, I can do the package get installed. Just selection. Sorry for the delay. Grep pimp my Kali. So that's just it. We has installed pimp my Kali LSB release to see the version of Kali Linux that we are running currently. And then we don't have LSB installed on our system. So what are we gonna do now? So let's install LSB. Sudo apt install LSB. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. LSB release. Yeah, I have that. So you can see the OS that we are using and the release description. So yes, this is just the way you can set up your newly installed Kali Linux using Pip My Kali. The process is straightforward. The one of the main things you need to check, like I said earlier, you need to make sure there is internet connectivity on your VM, and yeah, once there is an internet connectivity, you go to the GitHub. That's the directory, GitHub directory for the GitHub. So you go to the GitHub, do git clone, and you are good to go. So thank you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's not forget to love, like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and do have a lovely day.